Oh, there's that snowstorm I mentioned yesterday. I really like the bus today because it gives them a spot to walk that's not covered in snow. Here's one of their feed bowls. Yeah, I may fill them and throw them underneath the bus. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you there. Problem is, where's the other ones? Oh, here we go. There's two. There's 2 waters and 2 foods, and I feel like the other one's right here somewhere. I don't see it. Okay. I don't know where the other food bowls. Oh, there it is. There we go. So 2 food bowls, 2 water bowls. We'll get them. We'll get them next to the bus so they don't have to walk out to find them. Like that for easier on them. All right, talk to you later.